Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash in multiplayer. While the base game does not offer an official multiplayer mode, the vibrant community has developed clever solutions. You can join friends and other players to tackle custom levels together, experiencing the game in a whole new way. This opens up exciting possibilities for cooperative or competitive play. To begin your multiplayer journey, you will first need to install a mod loader. Geode is a popular choice, providing a stable platform for various modifications. Once Geode is set up, you can easily find and install the Globed multiplayer mod directly through its in-game browser. Always verify compatibility with your Geometry Dash version for a smooth experience. After installing Globed and restarting Geometry Dash, a new globe icon will appear on your main menu. Click this icon to access the multiplayer interface. Here, you can select a server, often categorized by region, or create a private room. If you create a room, share the unique code with your friends so they can easily join you. Once connected, you and your friends can select any level to play together. You will see other players' icons moving in real time, adding a dynamic element to the gameplay. Some companion mods, like Deathlink, even allow for shared deaths, meaning if one player fails, everyone restarts. This creates a truly collaborative and engaging experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.